Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys Samsung phone setting guys, and today we try to guys Samsung phone guys keyboard sound guys. How can we on and use? Friends, we want to on guys your phone keyboard sound. So how can we on and use today friends? I will show you. I will tell you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, open your phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, click on phone sound and vibration. System sound we will on it. Friends, you can see Samsung keyboard sound guys. We will on from here. After on guys your phone keyboard. So friends, when you will use keyboard, so friends you can see get this keyboard sound. So like that guys, you can on and use guys your Samsung phone get this phone keyboard sound. So I hope friends you understood how to on and use phone keyboard sound, and friends you want to off, so guys you can off guys from your phone system sound setting guys. Tap on system sound, so you can off from here. After all guys, when you will use guys your keyboard, guys this sound will not work. You can use your keyboard without any sound. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to on and off keyboard sound in Samsung mobile. So bye guys.